Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best smart kitchen appliances. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end, so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart kitchen appliances in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart kitchen appliances on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got This smart stand mixer whips up fluffy frostings and kneads sticky pizza dough with ease. It uses auto-sense technology to respond to changes in the texture of its contents by increasing or decreasing the speed or simply shutting off. The mixer is also equipped with a built-in scale, so you can weigh each ingredient in the bowl without needing a separate scale and mixing bowl. This is especially handy for baking. The corresponding GE app called Connect Plus comes with dozens of recipes. When you select a preloaded recipe, the machine uses auto-sense technology to guide you through the steps, telling you when to add certain ingredients and mixing at the proper speeds for the right amount of time. The app also connects the machine to Wi-Fi, which allows for regular software updates. You can connect your smart mixer to Amazon Alexa and Google Home as well, which allows you to control the speed and mixing time with your voice from across the kitchen or another room. It truly makes baking hands and guest-free. Number 9. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Unless you're a pro chef, it's almost impossible to determine when your food is done. This wireless smart thermometer connects to a compatible app on your phone to precisely monitor meats, and it'll even notify you when your steak has reached a perfectly pink medium rare. It's a foolproof gadget that guarantees consistent results every time. The smart thermometer comes with a bamboo case that doubles as a charger. It's hardy enough to be used inside and outdoors, so you can use it on the grill with no issues, even in a rainstorm. During cooking, you can consult your app for a pretty precise read on how much time is left, which helps if you're preparing other elements of your meal. If you don't have to stand over the steak and wonder if it's overcooking, you can go ahead and roast up your favorite smashed potatoes on the side. Coming at number 8, Greater Goods Nutrition Scale. This smart kitchen scale goes beyond weighing flour for your favorite sourdough recipe. It's preloaded with the nutritional information for 2,000 common foods. Plus, you can add another 99 custom entries. You simply place food on the scale and use the app to let the appliance know what it's weighing. The scale then shows you the exact nutritional data, including saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. The scale is helpful if you're counting calories or macros, or simply want a clearer view of what you're eating on a day-to-day basis. Of course, it also provides the basic job of a kitchen scale, which is to weigh ingredients for cooking. The scale has an 11-pound maximum weight, but that tends to be enough for most baking tasks. Weighing your flour and other ingredients when baking cakes, bread, and other treats can yield a more uniform end result. The scale would make a great gift for an avid or burgeoning baker. Coming at number 7, Spin Espresso and Coffee Machine. It's hard to beat the convenience of being able to brew a fresh cup of barista-quality espresso from the comfort of your bed in the morning. Spin takes your morning joe seriously and has a linked app and a scanner that will read your bag of beans and set the perfect brewing parameters, including grind size and temperature. It uses an internal centrifuge to produce the best-tasting espresso in minutes. The machine will give your kitchen the look and smell of a high-end coffee shop, with its cylindrical design and gleaming silver exterior. It also comes in an all-black colorway. If you're a fan of cold coffee, The espresso machine makes cold brew in a few minutes that has a beautiful head of foam on top. Though the machine does not come with a milk frother to produce cappuccinos, lattes, and other specialty drinks, Spin's milk frother is a popular add-on. Number 6. Vitamix A3500, Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix is a prominent brand in professional kitchens, but it also offers intuitive smart capabilities that make blending easy for cooks of every level. Built-in wireless connectivity automatically reads the chosen container size and accordingly adjusts program settings and blending times, so you don't have to lift a finger to make the perfect frozen margarita. Further preset blending programs on the A3500 include smoothies, hot soups, yes, it will heat your lunch, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. Though you can put the blender container in the dishwasher, Vitamix recommends adding a bit of soapy water on self-cleaning mode to preserve the blade sharpness. The blender will automatically shut off when a program is finished, so you don't need to stand by and babysit the machine. It also has a handy pulse feature and a tamper that allows you to stir and push the food down toward the blade as the motor runs. Coming in at number 5, Tasty by Cuisinart One Top Smart Induction Cooktop. If your YouTube feed is filled with tasty videos, this smart cooktop probably looks familiar. It's the same one used in BuzzFeed's professional kitchens to cook up killer recipes on camera. Connect it to the One Top app for step-by-step guidance through hundreds of recipes. It also precisely keeps an eye on the cooking process with an integrated surface sensor that measures the temperature of your pots and pans and has an in-pan thermometer that accurately monitors the temperature of your food. Customers universally rave about this little cooktop. Whether they're packing it for an RV camp or relying on it for their home cheese-making experiments, people are major fans. One ecstatic reviewer notes, "I wish I'd bought this a lot sooner. I wanted a cooker for my camper that was easier than a propane stove, and this was the answer. It's one of the best investments. My cast iron cookware works great on this and heats up quickly and evenly, more than ever before. The temp control is super quick. I have cooked so much on it. It doesn't heat up the kitchen either." Coming at number 4, Revolution Cooking, 2-slice high-speed smart toaster. Good bread deserves to be toasted with tender love and care, and this awesome appliance does just that. It's a smart 2-slice option that features smart sensors to customize the heating process based on what type of bread you're toasting, and an intuitive touchscreen that allows you to select your preferred doneness shade and crispness. The machine comes with a long list of regularly toasted items, including pancakes, multigrain bread, and even gluten-free bagels. From there, users select whether they're toasting something fresh or frozen, or if they're just reheating their breakfast, as well as their desired level of browning from 1 to 7. The machine then toasts whatever you fed it minutes faster and much more evenly than a standard manual toaster. Revolution also makes a handy panini press that turns the toaster into a sandwich maker without the mess of cheese oozing down the sides of your appliances. Number 3, Drio Chefmaker Combi Fryer. The Drio Chefmaker incorporates the quick cooking and crisping technology of a standard air fryer and adds a temperature probe, water atomizer, and built-in cooking programs to make it the smartest air fryer around. Users can select from an extensive preset menu of food items, such as specific cuts of steak, along with desired doneness, then insert the thermometer into the meat and let the Drio do the work. As soon as the machine turns off, pull out the drawer to reveal a meal cooked just to your liking. The device also has a clear window, so you can keep a close eye on your food as it cooks. A small water reservoir on top of the machine is used to provide steam injection during cooking. This helps keep food from drying out and allows for better temperature control, as short puffs of steam can quickly lower the internal temperature and prevent overcooking and burning. Coming at number 2, Lark Self-Cleaning Water Filter Pitcher. If you struggle with off-tasting or hard water in your home, you'll want a high-functioning water filter that produces pure-tasting, contaminant, and heavy metal-free drinking H2O. The Lark pitcher takes water purification up a notch by including a self-cleaning UV light. The UV light disinfects the pitcher to keep it free of mold, bacteria, and viruses, plus the carbon filters remove larger particles, including microplastics. The water filter will need to be recharged, but the battery lasts up to 2 months, so it's not an overly heavy lift. In addition to being self-cleaning, the pitcher also connects to a corresponding app that tracks the health of the carbon filter, so you know when to replace it, as well as your household water intake, in case you're keeping tabs on hydration. As a nice little feel-good moment, you can also check how many plastic water bottles you're saving and how you're reducing your carbon footprint. Number 1. Tavala Smart Oven Pro. This countertop smart oven does the work of several pieces of cookware in one compact, apartment-friendly appliance. The oven has a QR code scanner that can read cooking instructions on dozens of Tavala-branded meals, as well as common grocery store items. The machine then applies its various cooking modes, including convection, steaming, broiling, and reheating, to perfectly cook your meal without any babysitting. Users can opt into a subscription of Tavala meals. The meals are delivered as part of an ongoing subscription that you can cancel or pause at any time, and arrive frozen. When hunger strikes, you simply scan the barcode and let the oven finish heating and crisping your meal. As one satisfied Tavala customer writes, "After using this a few months, I adore this oven. It's very well made, heats evenly, and the smart features are brilliant. Having the barcode scanner work with some of the groceries that she eats, I wish it were programmable to add more, has been a godsend." That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart kitchen appliances. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.